Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will learn the type of the pulley lagging. We will discuss this topic in the upcoming slides. Before learning the type of the pulley lagging, we will learn and understand the purpose of the pulley lagging. Pulley lagging is the layer of material that is bonded to the shell of a conveyor pulley. Its function is to protect the shell from damage and increase friction with the conveyor belt. Pulley lagging extends the life of the conveyor components. Pulley lagging reduces wear from the abrasive materials. Pulley lagging prevents belt slippage by increasing the coefficient of friction between the conveyor belt and the pulley. Pulley lagging creates a self-cleaning action on the pulley surface and prevents the buildup of transported bulk material, water and other materials. Next, we will learn and understand the first type of pulley logging is herringbone lagging. Please refer to the herringbone lagging pulley snaps for a better understanding. The herringbone lagging profile is designed to easily eliminate liquids and dirt from the pulley and belt. It is used in the drive pulley. Herringbone grooved pulleys are directional and should be applied to the conveyor so that the grooves point toward the direction of the belt travel. Please refer to the picture. Its grooves point toward the direction of the belt travel. Please refer to the picture. Its grooving points do not meet in the middle. Next, we will learn and understand the second type of pulley logging is chevron lagging. Please refer to the chevron lagging pulley snaps for a better understanding. This is normally used in drive pulleys. It's excellent at dispersing liquids and other sticky substances away from the center of the pulley belt by the grooves. Please refer to the picture. The points of the groove should meet in chevron-styled lagging. Next, we will learn and understand the third type of pulley logging is ceramic lagging. Please refer to the ceramic lagging pulley snaps for a better understanding. Ceramic is used because it is a more hardy and durable material than rubber. The ceramic tiles are molded into the lagging which is then cold bonded to the drum pulley. This style of finish allows excellent traction and reduces slippage, meaning that the belt tension is lower and, therefore as a result, increases the life of the pulley. Ceramic lagging is a more expensive option than rubber lagging, however ceramic lagging has a greater service life and reduces lagging wear. It has a bi-directional pulley rotation. Next, we will learn and understand the fourth type of pulley logging is diamond lagging. Please refer to the diamond lagging pulley snaps for a better understanding. The diamond grooves provide additional grip, which helps to reduce slippage and enhance the efficiency of the conveyor system. It is primarily used for reversing conveyor drive pulleys. It is also often used to allow bi-directional pulley rotation. The pattern allows water to be dispersed away from the belt. Next, we will learn and understand the fifth type of pulley logging is slide lag lagging. Please refer to the slide lag lagging pulley snaps for a better understanding. The slide lag coating system is a drum lagging system that uses welded slides on the drum surface as a base for the lagging. The covering consists of vulcanized rubber on a steel support that slides under the rails. Slide lag lagging is applied by a high-pressure hot vulcanization process, using thick steel plates designed to fit each drum diameter. It has a bi-directional pulley rotation. Next, we will learn and understand the sixth type of pulley logging is the circumferential groove lagging. Please refer to the circumferential groove lagging pulley snaps for a better understanding. The circumferential groove lagging is used on non-drive drum pulleys for use in wet or cold conditions. This style allows the lagging to deflect and permits material from building up on the lagging. Next, we will learn and understand the seventh type of pulley logging is plane lagging. Please refer to the plane lagging pulley snaps for a better understanding. Plain rubber lagging is used on the non-drive pulley. This style of finish is suitable for any pulley in the conveyor system where a watershed is not necessary. We hope everyone understands the function of the pulley lagging and the type of the pulley lagging. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.